If you want to make a video wallpaper on iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, then in that case, the only way to do so is by converting a video into a live photo. So in that case, if you have a video that you have, for example, in the Photos app, then you can go to the App Store and we need to download an app that allows us to convert a video into the live photo. So we're gonna just simply search for video to live. This is an example app that I used before and I'm gonna use in this video as well, that allows us to do exactly that, to convert videos into live wallpapers. So we're gonna download this app over here. Of course, feel free to try any other app in case you don't like this one or if it doesn't work for you. So after opening the app, we can go to a video and live photo. Of course, once you do that for the first time, we need to grant some permissions, so let's do that. We can grant access to the photo library as well. Let's allow the full access. And over here, we need to choose the video that we want to convert. So let me actually try to find mine. There we go. This is the one that I'm gonna use. Let's press next after selecting the video. If the app crashes, which might happen for the first time, you can just simply go back, and I believe the second time it should work just fine. Yeah, there we go. I'm not sure why that happens, but it just happens. And the downside of this method is that, unfortunately, you won't be able to convert the whole video into a live photo, because usually live photos last only like 3 seconds or so. So on this time frame, you should be able to adjust and select the area, the time frame of the video that you want to convert into the live photo. But that is only, of course, if the video is actually longer than 3 seconds. And we still have some additional options over here that you can use in case you want to customize the video wallpaper a little bit. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tap on Make in the upper right corner, and then over here we want to choose Live Photo iOS 17 Plus. Of course, you might see an ad in the meantime, but we can just close it. And let's just wait for the video to be converted. There we go, Live Photo has been created. So we're gonna go to the photo library just to see if that is true. Let's scroll down. There we go. Here we have our photo. So now what we can do is we can try to set it up as the wallpaper. And I'm not sure if we can do this from here, but yeah, we have used as wallpaper after going to share. So let's do this. Let's add it. And if it's working correctly, you should be able to toggle the live effect. And there we go. There's like a small animation going on. And in some cases, it might not work at all. Like I've had some issues in the past with some certain videos. I'm not sure why it didn't work every time. So unfortunately, it is not guaranteed to convert it properly into the live photo. In some cases, it will just convert to a photo without the live effect. So unfortunately, I didn't have any solution for that at a given moment. But yeah, in this case, it actually worked. So once we have the live effect enabled, we can just press add in the upper right corner. I'm just gonna set it as wallpaper pair. And after that, we're just gonna close. Let's go to the lock screen. And there we go. It is working just fine. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.